Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for Nissan Juke. I believe this car is 2012. Let's we see what's the customer complaint. So put the ignition on, start the car. As you can see, everything here is good. We don't have any warning light, everything is nice. The complaint is the radio. Let me turn the radio on. As you can see, the radio is turning on, no problem. I just switch off because copyright. As you can see, we don't have any display here. Let me just show you the actual LCD. I think it's broken. What we're going to do, we're going to take everything out, remove the radio, and we try to change the LCD on the radio. So we do this. For that, we need to remove this, and then I believe it's got a couple of screws here, and then we can take off the radio. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to point my camera just right here, and then you can see, switch off the car. I'll just put that one here. I'll just use this. Save one side. That's how it comes out. For now, I'm just using flips the screw. One screw here, like this. Very gentle. And you got a few connection here. Then we do have one here, 2, 3, 4. So we take those out as well. Okay, take this one off as well. It does have few connection. Let me guys show you here. So that's just push and pull, and we got one more here. It's got just another push here, same as here. Just push, and one more here. This one is got click on the side. And you can see guys, everything is out. We will take this one to the bench, and we try to take that display out, and we go from there. All right, we are on bench now. We just need to remove those click, and that will come out. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this. Yeah. Go one more here. Okay, one more here. And let's we go to the side. One here. Yeah. I believe it's got another 2 here. Just very gentle. And you can see guys, I can push this one out. Yeah, that's complete, comes out. We're gonna concentrate on this. All right, so we see what we're gonna do. So obviously we need to desolder this. You see it's got 4 legs here. Desolder all those 4 and remove that one, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw. So let's do that. Let's try to heat that tape a little bit up, and I can remove that one better. Well, we just move that one, leave it here. As you can see, this one is come out as well. So let's remove this first. like this. Another one here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just desolder this and then bring it back to the line. I got another two here. Just like this, and one more just right here. Yeah, that's all you do. And then now I'm gonna get small Phillips screw. And that's all the screw removed. We just remove the whole bolt. Make sure you just leave those like this on the side. And what we need to do now, we need to remove the plate. As you can see, I already desoldered it. We just line it up and push it, and just line up this one as well, and that piece comes out. And once you take that piece out, you're free to take the LCD out. As you can see here, this is the actual LCD. You just take it off. Just make it free here. That's it. This is a actual LCD which was broken. So now I'm going to get another LCD. This is the one. As you can see, guys, this is brand new LCD. Just take it off from here. Okay, and that comes out. Yeah, one here, one here. Yeah, this is the LCD. As you can see, guys, exactly same LCD, and I believe this goes that way, I think. Yeah, that's the front of the LCD. Yeah, that's how it goes. So what we do, we just take this one off complete. It's got another tape on the front. Take this one off as well. So we just pass this on the hole and just fit it nicely in. Once you put that one in, now you go put the plate back. That's how it is. And then once you put the plate back, you just bend the plate to the soldering, just like this. That's it. And now we just try to solder everything back. Just put a little bit flags, and so I start with this, maybe this way with it. Just same time I heat it up, and nice. Let's do this side now, and then let me just do the other side. Okay, one more here. That's good. Now we got everything good here, so I'm going to put that one on top, just right here. You see, guys, it's just nicely in, and then once you put everything in, you just try to put the connection back like that. You just push those two connection back, and then you can bend the rest of the cable back to here and just use same tape. Yeah, just try to clean the area which I use for soldering. Just try to be nice and tidy. That's nice. Everything here is good. Now you put everything back. Yeah, that's all the run is good. So now moment of truth. Let's put the radio back to the car, and we see if we got display. Ignition on, and that's it. Yeah, the radio works as well. I just switch off because of copyright. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna put everything back. Very simple and easy repair. As you can see, we got a display now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, we do something else on the next video. Thank you.